Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can set up driving profiles in your Porsche. This solution will work for the Porsche Cayenne, Porsche Macan, Panamera, 911, 718, Boxster, and lastly the Porsche Cayman. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So first thing that you need to do, guys, is just go here to your screen in the right side of your steering wheel. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look to see how it will look like. Basically, guys, once you're here, you're gonna be in the home section. Here you're gonna find all of your apps, and amongst these apps you're gonna find the car app. Or you can just go to the sections here in the left, and in the bottom you're gonna find your car icon. Give it a click, and then here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find all of the settings related to driving and to your car. So if you want to change the drive mode, it's gonna be here under drive. Give it a click, and then here you can switch between off-road, e-power, hybrid, sport, or sport plus. Also here you're gonna find the option to activate, enable, or disable the sport exhaust system. Here you're gonna find the assistance settings, trips, and here comfort. You can adjust your driver seat and so on from here. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.